KMC Controls is committed to providing our customers with the latest in innovative and intuitive solutions. Sometimes that includes working with trusted partners to make sure their products are more accessible to our customers. Today, I'd like to welcome our guest, Mya Holzemer, National Sales Engineer for ACI, one of those trusted partners.
Thanks for having us.
So let's talk a little bit more about your temperature sensor line.
Temperature sensors were our first product line starting back in 1991. We support a wide variety of sensor types, including thermistors, RTDs, and transmitters. We also offer high and low temperature sensors and transmitters for applications such as cryogenics and flue stacks, as well as match temperature transmitters with NIST certification for hospital or laboratory applications.
Well, that's great. Can you tell us a little more about your manufacturing process?
ACI employs a unique double encapsulation potting process in the manufacturing of our temperature sensors. This ensures that no moisture can reach the sensing element, with moisture being the biggest reason for sensor failure in the field.
So what are some of the different configurations you offer temperature sensors in?
We manufacture a wide variety of sensor configurations, including room, duct, immersion, outdoor, averaging, strap, button, freezer, explosion-proof, and others. We also have a variety of enclosures available. One of the most popular being our unique plastic box, which features a hinged cover integral to the body, allowing for a fast and easy installation process in the field.
So tell us a little bit about your relative humidity line.
ACI manufactures relative humidity, or RH, transmitters in a variety of accuracies and configurations, including 1%, 2%, 3%, and 5%, as well as room, duct, outdoor, and remote probe.
I hear you individually calibrate each of these devices?
We do. This is to be sure that every one of these RH transmitters has excellent long-term stability, performance, and reliability that your customers need for their applications. We also offer a 5-year warranty on the full device, including the RH element, ensuring that you will enjoy excellent long-term performance in your application.
So what other unique features do these devices contain?
Every transmitter comes with a bank of onboard dip switches that allow for a variety of functions in the field, such as output selection, proving your system by simulating a variety of RH levels, and single-point offset calibration with increment and decrement switches.
Well, thank you for sharing your products with us today. Mya, it's always a pleasure.
Thank you.
To learn more about ACI, visit workaci.com. And to learn more about any of the solutions from the building geniuses at KMC, including ACI products, visit us on the web at kmccontrols.com.